Hello students, this is Mr. Pizatitis from Salem classes. So today we are going to discuss about use of present indefinite tense. Okay, now this day we are discussing about tense, and in this video lecture we are going to discuss about use of present indefinite tense. So let's begin. So before starting my class, I would like to request to you, if anyone is there, one who is newly watching, please subscribe and also share to your friends and classmates. So let's begin. Number one, with habitual action, with habitual action or regular action. Regular. You know what is habitual action? Habitual action or habitual means day to day something happens. Day to day something happens regularly, not once a year or not something that where there is no any irregular happens. So there must be regular happens or a regular action. One example I give you: she always take takes exercise. Okay, something it is difficult to see. Exercise in the morning. Okay, this is called habitual action. So here subject, here adverb, here verb, verb, and also this is also adverb. So already we have discussed what is subject, adverb, and also what is object, everything. Now you see and you understood little bit about habitual action. Birds, okay, fly in the sky. This is usual happens and regular happens. Birds, where they fly, they fly in the sky. Okay, this is called regular action, because except this place birds cannot fly. They cannot fly on water or they cannot fly in land, so they always fly in the sky. Okay, next is there universal truth. Second, universal truth. Universal truth. Okay, universal truth. What do you understand by universal truth? Universal truth means that truth is considering, okay, throughout the universe. Okay, that truth may not be, that action may not be changed. Okay, so I will give you one example. The moon moves around the sun. The moon moves around the earth. Okay, you may see that the moon moves around the earth. The earth moves around sun. Okay. Next, the sun rise in the east. In the east. See, they are called universal truth. They are called universal truth. That means these truths cannot be changed, or this action cannot be changed. For example, the sun rise in the east means it will not rise in the west. Okay, the sun sets in the west means it would not set in the east. So something that happens regularly, or something that universal truth. In this way, we can use present indefinite. Then third point is with a planet program for future. With a planet program for future. You know what is future? Future means something will happen. But when we make some plan, okay, for future, so in that way also we can use present indefinite. Like the same way, my father retires next month. My father retires next month. Okay, you may see this is the plan of a future. This is the plan of future. This is the action retires. And father is a subject. Okay, so my father retires next month. It is the plan of next month. Next month means that is something after. It is not about now. In this way, we can use present indefinite. Okay, next example is there. The school closes the school closes for next 5 days. Next 5 days. Like the same way, okay, the school starts from tomorrow. The school reopens from tomorrow. Okay, Christmas or winter vacation starts from 22nd December. Okay, like these are called, these are the planning of future, but at the same time it is used for present. Okay, present indefinite. Point number 4. Point number 4. With inherent qualities. With inherent qualities. Inherent qualities. Number 1, mother loves her children. A mother loves her children. Loves her children. So this is something loves. This is something inherent quality. Okay, inherent quality means no mother can be hate to their children. Okay, no mother can be hate to their children. So a mother loves her children. That is something true factor, and it is the love. It is the inherent quality. That means something that is possessed by somebody. That is called inheritance. Fifth number, with scientific or spiritual or other principle and theories. With scientific or spiritual or other principles and theories. According to this example, you can understand it very clearly. Water contains hydrogen and oxygen. Water contains hydrogen and oxygen. So this is for scientific. Okay. God does not take birth. God does not take birth. Okay, God does not take birth. This is called a religious. This is called religious. Oil and water do not mix. Oil and water do not mix. Oil and water do not mix. So these are some points of how to use present indefinite and use of present indefinite. So I hope this is very useful for you, and enjoy and watch. Then next time we will meet with present continuous. Thank you. May God bless you.